Did your father have memories of Kiev that he shared with you?
Yes. He left the city when he was 17. So he was already a pretty big boy for a long time before he left. And one anecdote he told me that I enjoyed reading about, there is in Kiev, right near the river Dnieper, a statue of Khmelnytsky, who was the famous Cossack who led a pogrom against the Jews in 1648. The Kiev people are very fond of him. He's a great hero. And he recalls saying that he and his friends used to go down at night to the statue and they used to spit on it, is what he put in his book. He was very delicate. He was not given to vulgar things. What they did was urinate on it. And when I was there in 1990 with a group, the young lady who was our guide, who was a KGB person, as they all were, took us down to see this statue and was waxing enthusiastic about what a wonderful, important person he was. And we shocked her to the bottom of her feet by telling her he was definitely not one of our culture heroes. In fact, we hated him.